An unveiling awaits. The magic tool, AWS CloudFormation. Picture this, a wand that crafts AWS resources using code. Envision a complex AWS architecture to arrange instances, databases, networks. CloudFormation allows you to narrate this story in code. Once your script is ready, execute it. And like a well-rehearsed play, your setup unfolds just as you dreamed. CloudFormation paves the way for architectures that are scalable and repeatable. Regardless of your application's size, a single click deploys it all, creating a stack as simple as a child's play. Draft your code, construct the stack, and witness your AWS infrastructure breathe life. Whether you're a novice or an AWS virtuoso, CloudFormation smoothens your journey, making deployments a breeze. This was a quick jaunt through AWS CloudFormation. Questions? Send them our way in the comments. And remember to sprinkle your likes and shares on this video. And as we part ways, remember, happy cloud coding with AWS CloudFormation. Await more AWS enchantments. Until then, farewell.